So now we know how to play the chords and we know how to play it in the form of block and arpeggio. Now let's work on coordinating right and left hand a little bit. So you want to start with first exercise where you will press both hands as a block, C chord only, all together. Play it several times, make sure that you extract nice and even sound. Now try and play the same exercise, but play the chord in form of arpeggio from the bottom going to the top and the other way around. Work on extracting nice and even sound. Next exercise, I'm going to be playing chords, block chord in left hand and root note of the same chord in right hand. Please work on each exercise separately before you move to the next one. So if I play C chord in left hand, in right hand I'll be pressing C only. And to make this process easier for you, I'm just gonna play each root note with thumb. So let's try right hand, root note of the chord, left hand block. And move to F, to G, soft hands. Remember about the hand position. Let's switch hands and let me bring root note of the chord with pinky in left hand to the left hand and blocks to the right hand. Nice and slowly. C, D, nice and soft hands. And going on and on up to C, going through the entire octave. Beautiful. Now I'll try to play same exercise with arpeggio. Bringing my left hand to C chord position and preparing C root note in right hand. Pressing the first note at the same time. And I'm gonna hold note in right hand. It's gonna create a very nice sound. To D, to E, to F, going on and on, up to C. And then I'm gonna switch hands and I'm gonna play arpeggio in right and root note of the chord in left. To E, to F. Hands are nice and soft, so it's gonna affect the sound. And going on and on. Please work on these exercises and then move to the second group of exercises.